Let me start. There are two demo classes. First demo, and I covered yesterday, first demo 20 minutes, introduction part. Next 40 minutes, I covered types of data, types of IT applications, and types of BA applications, MS BA versus Power BA versus Azure BA, and what is Microsoft Fabric. And I was supposed to start Power BI components, unable to start yesterday, and Power BI concepts as well. Second demo content. First 10 minutes, first demo recap. Next 15 minutes, Power BI components, Power BI concepts, Power BI desktop and requirements, Power BI desktop installation, Power BI self-service BA example, Power BI end-to-end flow. So this is the second part. Today I'm going to start. So 10 minutes time I'm going to spend for first demo recap, and next 15 minutes, this is the content I'm going to cover. Let me give a brief understanding about yesterday's demo. So yesterday, first I explained training details, my name, my contact number, my call timing, and I'm working as a lead consultant. Training type is basics to advanced. So demo level, I'm covering important part I'm covering that too, basics to medium kind of, but regular classes, very depth practicals you see, detailed practicals with each and every option. 50 to 60 hours it will take time. Daily 1 hour is the class duration. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. And monthly 2 Saturdays we have classes. They are live classes, live practice sessions. Class mode, online, offline, both are available. This is training details. Next, institute provides daily live class video, 1.5 year access, communication through WhatsApp, and theory material you receive, practical material also you receive. FAQs and mock interviews conducted. MSBA tabular cube classes, 1 hour I will take to give you some cube understanding knowledge, and SQL sessions 4 hours. But this is to let you know how do we use SQL topics in Power BI. In this 4 hours, I cannot cover great content, but important content I'm covering. My recommendation: learn a whole course where prioritize 9 topics. So these 9 topics, if you want to learn, it will take 20 days time. So my institute offer, even other institutes also available to learn this course. Based on your interest, you can take 2 near real-time projects I will give you with good practice and multiple case studies also. Next, training objective. For the people who want to work in the real time, really good. Interview is suitable. And if anyone preparing for certification, yes, I will give you proper guidance for the certification. That is PL 300 examination. It's not required for everyone. You are keeping more than 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. You want to gain some advantage in the interview, then usually we go to this. And you want to generate your own reports. Yes, my course is really good. You can generate your own reports.
Recording in progress. Yes.
Right. So general FAQs. Who is eligible to learn? Any graduate is eligible to learn. What type of component is Power BI? It's a fully graphical user interface component with low code. We need less code. Next, you can use Power BI. How many areas? So many people that do not know, they feel like Power BI is a reporting tool, but technical side as a report developer, you can try. Technical side as a BA developer, you can try. As a data analyst, technical and functional, you can try. In business analyst, technical, functional, you can try. Data scientist also you can try with Power BI and along with other components. So these are the different areas where we use Power BI. So this I covered yesterday very in detail. Please refer to yesterday's video. And then I explain in the next 2 months what I'm going to cover. Environmental concepts. So if you join in a project environment, you see data warehousing, data modeling, as a GitHub. This knowledge I'll give you. And 2 projects and multiple case studies. And database and SQL, 3 to 4 hours I cover, but that is not sufficient. So learn a whole course wherever you want to learn, prioritize 9 topics. And tabular cube classes 2 hours. And for your job trials, resume preparation needed, FAQs needed, and interview mock interviews as well. This all I will provide. This is related to interview working environment. And coming to Power BI subject side, I will cover cloud components, whatever we have, on-premises components, and Power Apps and Power Automate knowledge also 2 hours, 4 hours. So this is the next 2 months agenda. I also given a checklist for you. Kindly look at the checklist in your drive level. Next, Institute provide good theory, practical material, daily live class videos, complete practical training. It starts from tomorrow, in-depth training also from tomorrow. Basics to advanced. Resume preparation classes provided. And you'll be having good interaction with me during the classes. And there are many students who get in touch with me for the last 5 years, 6 years, 7 years also. And WhatsApp group created for our technical questions, concerns. Even you can ping me personally. FAQs also discussed. And once you complete Power BI course, technical side, if you want to try, less than 5 years, you can try technical side. These are the opportunities available. Power BI developer, DAX, SQL, Power BI support resource, Power BI admin resource, Power BI plus MSBA, Power BI plus Tableau, Power BI plus Azure ADF plus Data Lake, Power BI plus Synapse plus Databricks. So these 3 dedicated, these are combinations. So what if I have more experience, technically more I want to try technically, then Power BI senior roles, modeler role, designer role, architect role, multiple available, but you cannot try normally. So 1 or 2 projects complete understanding required or working knowledge is required to try for this. So if you learn Power BI and if you have a doubt like, so will I sustain with 10 years, 15 years experience, happily you can do it. So these are the roles available in technical side. I'm talking about technical. So this is what yesterday I explained. Also, I covered data, IT applications, BA applications, Power BI, Power Platform, Microsoft Fabric. So this part also I covered last class, hierarchy. And the people who joined today, do not feel panic. You will get yesterday's video as well. Kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get yesterday and today both the demo videos and documents. Quickly provide. My demos are completely different from others. You will find subject, creative content, as well as useful content for the real time, both. In depth, you will see from tomorrow. And this is my contact number if you want to reach out to me. Thank you. Yesterday, more than 15 people contacted me. And today I'm expecting from other people who are having doubts, questions, concerns. So this is a drive we created last class. And first demo video available. Video, material, PDF material, and what are the material currently I'm explaining the same material, and checklist, what we are going to cover. I believe you open this checklist. Here is the place, what all I'm going to cover in the next 2 months, high level, and every component wise what I'm going to cover low level. We follow this only. If a particular topic is completed, I will mention yes. For that reason only, I'm using this checklist. So this is the in detailed part what I'm going to cover for next 2 months. This is your for current folder. And similarly, I will create one more folder. Power BI. Second demo. Self-service BI example. In this area, you need one practice file for your practice, one data file for your practice, demo screens, checklist, course content, click on this, and my trainer screenshots also I'm placing. Only video pending. You will see the video after a couple of minutes. For every batch, we will create a folder and they will get a lab setup. All videos in a single area and all materials, everything. And there's a videos area, and the videos area, videos available for every batch like this. So I covered Azure topics or automate topics, complex interview questions, SQL session, tax sessions, many more. Complete in-depth. Demo level, about data, about BI, about Power BI, and one example. It's a basic example only I'm covering, but regular classes in detail, all options, in-depth subject, regular classes, starting from tomorrow. Okay. And WhatsApp group. For every batch, there is a WhatsApp group, well-maintained WhatsApp groups. This is a 9 o'clock batch. See, every day. Once the session is completed, we will place the video and what type of topic I covered, what you need to do. Everything I will mention. And we conduct project sessions, live classes, and many more. And I showed yesterday, there are many people got success, not one, two. Couple of screenshots, so not screenshots, couple of people chart also I opened. I'm not going to open again and again the same part. Please refer to yesterday's video for better understanding. And opportunities. Yes, we will place in our company website level, our institute website level. And we also have opportunities WhatsApp group and we'll place. This is opportunities group. Companies approach us. So many institutes will say the same thing, but I will show you how companies approach us. See Manasa JD recently, August 13th. So dear Vinay, please find the attached JD. Good communication is must and Hyderabad location. They given the JD. And we'll place in our portals inform to students. Not one to many people. The internship opportunity. So please find the attached job description for one intern opportunity, 4 to 6 months. Hyderabad Film Nagar. That is many our companies approach us and will inform as well. Say job description for SSIS, job description details. So Bhavana recruiter. So in case you prepared very well and you want multiple opportunities, yes, we will help you on personal basis as well. For those interested, we'll help you on personal basis. That is sufficient for today. So what I covered yesterday, I given brief understanding for 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes. I will continue with this part now. Shall I? I will brief yesterday's one, concentrate. What is Power BI? Not yesterday's one, fresh part. What is Power BI? Adding more power to existing BI. This is definition 1. Power BI is a low-code self-service BI application which generates reports and dashboards. We generate reports and dashboards from data. And this is a definition 2. So what is the input to Power BI? Input to Power BI data. Data may be any type, anywhere, any storage. I explained yesterday. An output from Power BI, a report or dashboard. What is report? What is dashboard? Also I covered last class. So this is for individual operation, high level. Individual operation. And this is for set of operations. And simply high level subset area presentation. This I concluded. And Power BI announced July 2013. And monthly updates we have, no versions. Till this date, we have monthly updates. And what is today's part? This conclusion is okay. And the today's part is Power BI, which component generate report? Power BI, which concept generate report or dashboard? That I'm going to explain. So first one, components. Second one, requirements. Third one, installation process. And then we go for a small example, simple example. I'm not telling complex, simple. If you want to see complex example, go to my YouTube, and our institute YouTube has complex examples. And demo level, I need to make you clear with the content, clear with market, clear with what I'm going to provide, not to cover an example. If you need example, you can go to my YouTube and you can see the examples more and more. But if you know better components understanding with some hands-on practice, then you see a good example. So the next part is this I'm going to cover. Anyone wants to ask any questions? Kindly take your mic and ask your questions. Quick. Okay. And who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID to get demo video or demo document. Right, sir. No.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఆ రిపోర్ట్ లో ఏ కాంపోనెంట్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని జనరేట్ చేస్తామని చెప్పబోతున్నాం.
Yes, yes. So we are systematically going, don't worry. Reporting. How many types of reporting we have in IT? First, you need to know. And what type of reporting Power BI does? High level, I said report and dashboard will generate using Power BI. Now, what type of report we generate? So market level and IT industry level, two types of reporting available. First one, non-page related report. So if you see this, in this area, multiple visuals available. And if you click on 17 data, it will show everywhere. 18 data, it will show everywhere. And this is advanced reporting. Data not divided into multiple pages. Oh, so we call it as non-paginated report. So we have multiple visuals. Data is not divided into multiple pages. Got clarity? And advanced reporting this is. And Power BI support this kind of reporting. Since 13, it is supporting this kind of reporting. But companies expected, no, very advanced level you have. I need basic reporting also. That is paginated reporting. In this area, so this is a paginated report. Page 1, 10 record, 10 employees information. Second page, next 10 employees. Third page, next 10 employees. Like this also needed. That is paginated. Paginated meaning data is divided into multiple pages. Each page is printable. Each page is printable.
Multiple pages.
Data divided into multiple pages like this. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Example, you have 200 records, 200 people details. Each page 20 records needed and 10 pages required. This is called paginated reporting. Sir, can we do this in Power BI? With respect to Power BI, it is a very basic operation. So they haven't given initially, but due to market demand and companies demand, they added the old topic also through a concept called report builder. So report builder component will do paginated reporting. So when you join in the companies, 95% you work on Power BI desktop. This is a component for this kind of reporting. 5% you work on paginated report builder. This one, 5% for this kind of reporting.
ఓల్డర్ వర్షన్ అది కొద్దిగా అప్డేటెడ్ వర్షన్ అనుకోవచ్చు.
You can consider, but both are required, not older and updated. This is older version, older operations. Any questions from anyone? Next part. Power BI components. Okay, we have two types of reporting in IT industry, non-paginated, paginated. Then how many components Power BI has? What exactly each component does? So Power BI typically having 8 components and 4 concepts. First one, cloud components. So the people who wants to keep everything in the cloud, for those people, and they need one component called Power BI Desktop. This is the first one for report development. Everyone see this. What is the component for report development? Power BI Desktop. So you develop a report. First of all, how do you develop a report? You have concepts. Power Query is one concept. Power Pivot is another concept. Power View, Power Map. By using these 4 concepts, Power BI Desktop develop a report. By using these 4 concepts, Power BI Desktop develop a report. Once it is done, the report will be moved to cloud, Microsoft Cloud. So customers will come to the cloud, bring the reports. Even you want to do any data management, any application management in the cloud level only, you do it. This is the second component, 1 and 2. 90% people using cloud components like this, 90 to 95%. Next one, on-premises components. So I'm not interested for cloud. This cloud is Microsoft cloud. Microsoft storage it will take, but I'm not interested. Then use a report server desktop for report development, report server, and same concepts it will use, but the reports will be moved to on-premises server. Which server? On-premises. So end users will come to this and bring. The picture is wrong. It is supposed to be on-premises server. So end user will come to your local server and bring the information and generate report.
Local storage.
Local storage, perfect. So these are the 4 important components. Any questions from anyone? Next, other components. First one, report builder. This is the component to develop paginated reports. Next, Power BI embedding. You have Power BI report. You want to keep in the blog level, website level, some social media level. Then we go for a concept called embedding. Your Power BI report you want to place in other area, we go for a concept called embedding.
Any social media.
Yes, social media, website, blog, anything. This is also a component. Next, Power BI developer. I don't like Power BI visuals, what it has. I want to develop my own visuals. Then Power BI developer. Gateway. So provide communication between on-premises to cloud. Your on-premises to cloud, on-premises to cloud, communication possible using gateway. Hyderabad data I want to move to New York server. How can I move? Gateway is required. By using this, we do it. So these are the 8 components Power BI has and 4 concepts. Now I'm going to explain about this part.
Power BI desktop.
Power BI desktop. Everyone clear? But in the regular class, we discuss this, and this is 95% companies use. So we will discuss, and I will explain this and this, and we see practically this and this, except this. Rest all I'm covering in the regular class. Because for developing a visual, you require coding. JSON, topo JSON, and multiple codings required. That's the reason I'm not explaining, but rest all I will cover in the regular class. Don't worry. Next. So this is an example. Power BI desktop I will create. So I will install. And this will convert your normal data into decision-making data like this. This is my daily expense during lockdown period, 2019. So date, amount, reason, area, location. In a particular date, how much amount I spent in a region, area, location available here. From this, I want information like this. Year selection, month selection required. If you want to see a particular year and month, yes, I will select it. So total spending in the year and month, maximum spending, average spending, etc. information, plus in this period, what are the areas I spent more, and what are the locations I travel, how much percentage of money I spent in every location, what are the locations geographically I travel. So when I click on it, it has to show all. Even when you click on it, it has to change another area. Such kind of fully interactive report required. Decision support required, decision support report required. Then we can go to Power BI desktop. So this is a component between them we use. And this data is daily transactional data. We call it as OLTP. This data is analytical data. We call it as OLAP. But how is it possible? I told you concepts required, Power BI desktop level concepts. The concepts, brief steps are this. If this is your data, the first concept will bring the data, that is Power BI desktop will bring, transform, shape it, relationships applied here, security added, visualization generated. So these are fixed steps. You may feel panic now, but daily you come across the same terminology, you feel bored after 2 days. fixed steps. So every report should pass through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phases. Every report, every data pass through this. Then only a proper data like this available. If the data is well shaped, no need to go. If the data is single table, no need to go. If the data does not require security, no need to go. But 1 and 5 compulsory. Data extraction, data visualization mandatory, rest are not compulsory. But Power BI desktop does this. As Power BI desktop is doing this, we call it as self-service BI. If you go to MSBI, it cannot do like this. If you go to Cognos, it cannot do like this. But Power BI able to do all operations and generating a wonderful report. All in the case, transformations, modeling, security, all. I'll show you how do we implement 1 and 5 in today's session. Any question from anyone? Yes, ask your question now. After you.
ఆ డేటా మనకు ఎలా వస్తుంది సార్?
Stephanie?
ఇక్కడ ఫ్యామిలీ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ డైలీ ఓఎల్టీపీ డేటా ఉంది.
అవునండి.
అది
ఆ.
ఆ డేటా మనకు ఎలా వస్తుంది?
అది కంపెనీ వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారు మీకు. ఓఎల్టీపీ డేటా కంపెనీ వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు మన క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కోసం నేను క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? బిజినెస్ డేటా కంపెనీస్ ఇస్తారు మనకి. ఇప్పుడు you belong to analytical, so you will bring the business data, whatever company given, you implement this process, generate like this. Right. So first we will see the data. Where is the data? Guys, it is in my folder. Even I place in your drive level for your practice today. Not placed, I will place it first. This is a family expenses data I'm placing. So this is my family expenses file. You can see. My daily expenses available here. First one description, second one date and reported. Next one column by column, date, amount, reason, area, location, all available. This is my input, day-wise spending available. Now I want to prepare a report, decision making report. So Power BI desktop required. How do we install it? This part I'm going to explain. What is desktop? The area where we perform operations graphically. Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop, and Power BI desktop, Power BI operations graphical. So Power adding additional features. BA takes data and generate reports and dashboards. Desktop, multiple operations area. Power BA desktop, Power adding additional features. BA taking data and generating report. Desktop, graphical operations. So the statement Power BI desktop having 3 words, each word having its own meaning. The input to this desktop is any data, anywhere, any format. But output is a desktop document where report available, data information available, both. So what is desktop? How many types of desktops available? What is Power BI desktop? Input to Power BI desktop, output from the Power BI desktop. All I cover. Next, what about requirements? If you want to get this, very simple. Operating system, Windows 10 or above is good. If Windows 8 also available, no problem. For better experience, OS. And RAM, minimum 2 GB good. But more RAM always runs faster, no doubt. Processor speed, minimum 1.5 GHz, but 2 GHz is recommended. So these are with respect to OS, RAM, and processor. And there are a couple of other requirements, slowly you come to know. Display orientation, landscape orientation, font size, type of system, all. But among this is a one more important one, type of system. What type of system you have? 64-bit machine or 32-bit machine? Type of system. Sir, where can I see OS, RAM, processor speed, type of system? Just click search box. Sysinfo. Sysinfo. Click on it. In this area, you can see what is my OS name? Windows 11. My OS. Processor. See, this is a processor. This is my processor. RAM. I'm having 16 GB RAM. My system type 64-bit. This is system type. All of you okay? Yes. Right. Now, how do we download the software? I already mentioned here what to do. You want to download. How do we download? The cloud desktop you want to download. Cloud level operations. Google it and download. A normal download available in the Google with Power BI account. Advanced download available in the Google without any account. So account-based downloading and advanced downloading available. And you can go to Power BI service. From here also you can download. From Power BI service also. And companies recommend always from Power BI service downloading, you can also say cloud downloading. And if you feel confused, just concentrate on only Google download. From tomorrow, you can understand the remaining part. But these are the ways available to download a software. I will simply Google it and download. See this. Power BI desktop download. Type download. Microsoft Power BI desktop. So this is a description given by the Microsoft. And here requirements. So first details. What is the version? Date published. 32-bit version. 64-bit version. What exactly Power BI desktop does clearly given. System requirements, server requirement, and normal machine requirement available. Don't worry, we will dig in detail about this tomorrow. Demo class level, I cannot cover much. If I started covering in detail of this, it's not a meaningful demo. Demo is demo. But from tomorrow, we go in detail each and every option. So it is having server versions as well as client versions. And installation instructions. So don't ask anyone at any time about downloading the software and installing the software. Just Google it and then download it. And this is for 32-bit machine. This is for 64-bit machine. I go for 64-bit, click download. I go for 64-bit and download. Shall I? I already downloaded. Once you download, it looks like this. Then go to this, click on this, next, finish. In between, it asks you C drive or D drive, where do you want to install? If this is done, you will see a shortcut on your desktop. This is a shortcut. Click on the shortcut. This is a look and feel. Initial look and feel. Home available. New report. This is to generate a report from scratch. Generate report from scratch. Already 1 lakh data available, you want to generate a report. Excel available, generate a report. SQLs are available, generate a report. Already these are available, you want to generate a report, possible. But I go for blank report. Sir, what about remaining options? Don't worry, tomorrow you see. Tomorrow onwards in detail the classes where you will see. I'll go to home, blank report. So this is a main interface. Please look at this main interface. And self-service interface. Color blind front interface. Color blind people can work on. What it does, this basically brings the data, this application. First it will extract, transform, model, secure, and visualize. Finally, BA data generated. And this is the first operation, second operation, third operation, fourth operation, fifth operation. First operation we do here, second operation we do here, third operation we do here, fourth operation here, and this is the fifth operation. And here 1 is compulsory, 5 is compulsory. 2, 3, 4, based on the situation, we go for it. Yes.
Entire 5 operations ikkade చేస్తుంది.
Yes, all the 5. All the 5 in the same area. So whatever I mentioned, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are the areas we do it. That's why people prefer Power BI, love Power BI. They're able to generate report very easily. Next. This is for quick saving, undo and redo. Undo, redo on top. This is title of the application, title. Search any content here. And here account available. And this is minimizing, maximizing, closing. Able to see? So on the status bar level, quick saving, undo, redo, title, search, account, minimizing, maximizing, closing available. Next, second one. This is ribbon. Menu ribbon. But which menu ribbon? Home menu. Home menu ribbon, these options. So what about this? These are called menu tabs. Once again, file menu tab, home menu tab, insert menu tab, modeling menu tab, etc. tabs. But home having set of options, home ribbon area. When you read documentation, or books, you see this kind of technology. Go to menu tab, go to menu ribbon, yes. Next, in the left-hand side, you're able to see something. So first time if you see this, you may feel confused, but regularly use this, you feel very bored after 3 days. In this area, whatever you have is called views. First one, report view. Report information. Second one, and simply report information in the sense, here you see visuals, here you see data, plus report options. This is an area where data displayed. We call it as table view. Some people say grid view. This is called as modeling view. Table relationships. And this is a DAX query area recently given. And this white space is called canvas. Report canvas. Here only we take the visuals, we take data, everything. So what are these? These are views, okay, to view the report, to view the data, to view the relationships and modify. But what about these? These are called panes. P-A-N-E-S. And this is filter pane. Filter options. This is a visualization pane. Visualization options. And this is called as pane manager. What do we call it? Pane manager. Everyone okay? Now, what about down? If you want to prepare report for desktop and web suitable. And this is for report for mobile. Here one page. You're not good with one page. You need multiple pages. Page 1, click plus page 2, plus page 3, plus page 4. You can take multiple pages. And this will have data. This one. Tables, data, everything. That's the reason we will see something additional here. Storage mode. And we call it as import, a direct query, or a mixed mode, or a connect live mode. These are the storage modes available. But slowly I will explain you all this part. Many options. It will take for me 1 hour to explain. But demo level I cannot spend that much time. So day after tomorrow I will explain 1.5 hour, 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Unless you know all these options, you cannot use it effectively. Now what I'm going to show next couple of minutes. So online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number. Point number 1. Point number 2, you want to talk to me, I'm giving my contact number. Yes, more than 15 people called me yesterday. You are expecting from others. Don't hesitate to talk to me. Or if you have any questions till this part, yes, kindly ask your questions. Online, offline people, ask your questions before I go to next. Yes, sir.
Mobile, what will we get with the mobile? The same visuals in the mobile.
But mobile dimensions are different, right? So mobile suitable way, we can keep the visuals. See, if you click on it, it looks different way, like this.
Okay.
There is,
Here also we can add all the visuals.
yep.
Okay.
Your company using only mobile view for the reporting, then don't go to this. I'll
Okay.
do everything here. Thank you. Let me continue next.
Is this paid software?
It's a free software, madam, but a
Okay.
cloud account is payable, and I will give you a cloud account for your practice for 2 months. So
Oh.
2 years, 2 years.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, where we can schedule the jobs?
In the cloud level only.
Okay.
Here, no scheduling, nothing. You require account. By using the account, you can schedule it.
Okay. What about security for the data?
Here you can apply, but usage in the cloud level only.
Okay.
Because this is a free software, you cannot do all. And the security, report sharing, report subscription, all at cloud level.
Okay.
Thank you. Please stay tuned, everyone. For next 15 minutes, I will close it properly. Even you can practice this example after the session, and you must practice. I request everyone, I'll give you this file and input data. I already placed in the drive level. Input data and practice document also. This is a practice document. Step-by-step navigation. Use this and practice it. See the user friendliness of the desktop. Then only you take a step. Yes, Power BI is good for me, or Power BI is not good for me. So, Shabazz, I will address your question. It takes some time. Right. So this is the first step. Second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step. So this is the first area. Second area, third area, fourth area, fifth area. One by one, I will do it quickly, concentrate. First, you want to bring the data. First means this one. Click on it. Excel workbook. There are multiple sources available. If you click more sources you see. Since you want to bring the data from a file, then click Excel workbook. Where is the file? It is in my machine. This is a file. And it's a demo example, so Excel, but regular class level, cube database, relation database, cloud, and many more we are going to discuss in the regular class. Since it's a demo and you guys need to practice, I'm taking in Excel.
Cloud means extra case.
Yes. I will show you practically how to do it in the regular class. So family expenses, open. So click once again, click on this Excel workbook, select the Excel file, click OK. Now it will show like this. Click on this. It will show preview in the right hand side. Yes, preview. So select, see the preview, click load. When you click load, that information will be loaded. See, I did not do anything. Automatically, data pane expanded. This is a data pane. It is showing the data. So this is the one, column 2, something. So when you do this, it will expand here by showing the table and details. But this data you want to see, this is called structure. What do you call it? Structure. But this data you want to see, go to data view. Table view. Go to this, you can see the data. So click on this to see the table data. Are you able to see? But something is not correct if you closely notice. See this. This we need to remove it. Point number 1. This we need to make heading. Point number 2. Remove and make this heading. This you divide into 2 parts. Third one. So these are the 3 operations. If you do it, then the data available column by column. And this is called shaping. And if you want a column by column, we need 3 changes or 3 transforms to the data. So we must go for transform area. Which area? Shall I? Right. Where is the second area? I will go to home. Always go to report view. First one completed. I'll go to second one. Click on this. What is this? Transform. Because data not in column by column format. This is the only one extra window system will open always. This is the only one extra window system will open always. Power query. What I want to do, guys, my objective is remove this record. And then make this as column heading. And divide the last into 2 parts. 3. So if you want to do it, go to this corner. This is the corner. In this corner, remove top row available. Click remove top row. Mention 1. So this top row will be removed. This top row. Later, make this in the column heading. So click on it. Use first row as header. So 2 operations. You can ask me, sir, can you show me again? So right hand side, it will add the steps, whatever you do. Cancel, cancel, cancel. So I want to remove the first row. Click on it. Remove top row. 1. Make this as column heading. Click on it. Use first row as header. I want to split this data into two parts. This data into two parts. Then right click here only. But what is a separator? Two hyphens is a separator. Two hyphens. So right click, split column by delimiter. And here you mention hyphen, two hyphens. Click OK. Now divide into two parts, 1 and 2. And first I will mention here area. Second double quote, I'll mention location. Area, location. So why I split? So that area analysis possible, location analysis possible. If you combine, not possible. 3 operations needed, I completed. 1, click on this, 1 and 2. And go to the column, right click, split column and do it. Delimiter to separator. Once your changes are completed, go to home area. And in this area, you have close and apply. You don't have save option. Apply means saving. Close means closing the window. I want to click on this to save the changes and close the window. So if it is closed, then only I can continue with the next operation, modeling. So step by step. Always we bring the data, not in proper shape, we transform it. Second step. And if it is proper shape, then go to third step, security. See guys, in the right hand side, it is showing properly. Even you can go to table view level also properly available. Last one, go to model view. Only one table available, single table, no model. If 2 or more available, relationship required, modeling required. Only 1 available, no modeling, nothing. Got clarity?
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, security not covering. But 5, visualization required, I will cover. So 1 covered, 2 covered, 5. 5 I'm covering. I will clear off everything and go for the 5th one. What is the 5th one? Visualization. So this is what I want to do. So these are the values I want to show. Total value, sum value, average value, max value, or min value. These values. Just go here. Or simply technical, I will tell you. These are called in Power BI level card visuals. On the card visual, you have taken data. And these are called in the Power BI level slicer visual. And this is called a bar chart. And this is called a pie chart. And this is called a map visual. So these are the visuals I will use now. And don't expect detailed in knowledge on every visual that we will see in the regular class. A demo example, high level, I will show you. Don't expect in detail. Regular class is very detailed. Right. First one, this is build area. See this? Data, you want to see data. Build visual, you want to see visual. Now I want visual. Card visual. Click card. Ready. When you first step, click always. It comes like this. Filter is not required. No. Second, field. Click field. Field level. I will take amount. Done. Sum of amount it is taking, good. Now, second card. Click add field. Here you take sum. Sorry, amount. Sum is coming, but I need average. So there's a arrow mark, right arrow. Click on it. Select here summarization average. So these kind of calculations, if you want to perform, you need not write any logic. What I click, this I click. What it is showing, these operations. So select the best operation for you. Okay, nice. Now I will continue average. I will take one more card visual. I want maximum value. Click fill amount. Click this option. Summarization maximum. Next, click fill. Sorry, card. Minimum I want. Add fill amount. And here you take here minimum. What to take? Now I want to format. Click on this. Format your visual. Now call out value, category, label. So this is for the data. This is for the visuals like this. And this is for the format like this. And these are general formatting for all visuals. Like border, background color, etc. These are visual specific. So this is for this and this is for this if you want to format. Shall I go? Now I will continue with call out value. This value, bold color, 30 size I'm taking. Your wish. Color is blue color. Display unit none. None means no format. Bold, display unit none. Now come down. Category label, bold, 18 or 15, your wish. Color, pink color. But I want border for this. Size and style, visual border on. I want title for this visual. Title on, click on it, right here. Sum of amount. And I will click bold, 15 size, okay. Text color white. This color I will take this center. You can take a visual like this. At the same format I want to copy everywhere. The same thing. Highlight this. Format painter. So whatever the format applied here. Whatever the format you mentioned, applied here. Format painter. Format painter, painter. So this is for the max amount, min amount. So go here. And this is for the average. All of you okay? But where is the title? You go to this. Title. Title is blank. Max amount. Go to this. Min amount title. Go to this. Average amount title. Don't bother about the navigations. You get complete clarity in the regular class. So I mentioned 2 times just for knowledge. One is label, one is title. Label, title.
What if I want a background color?
Yeah, here available. So just go here. All the colors available. You can change it. Size and style. Background color. Visual border. Shadow. Many things available. Not 1, 2. Only basic options I'm explaining, not in detail. No, I want filtering of this based on the year. Then take slicer. Use a slicer. Please look at this. Slicer visual. Click on it. Ready. I want year. Plus add data. Select the visual. Add the data. Date table year column. Now I will go to this is the year column selected. I will go to slicer setting. It is between available. Format level only all available. a vertical list. First one, take this. Second one, add the column. Third one, go to format area, format it. Third area, 3 areas. For every visual, 1, 2, 3. Every visual, 1, 2, 3. Take the visual, add the column, format. Otherwise, it looks very dull color like this. Grayed out field values. So I took vertical list. If you want a button format, tile. And if you want a drop down. So whatever the way customer require, I go for a vertical list format. Now, header and slide value. This is header, this is value. Go to slicer header. Or else directly title you take. Title, text, year text. Bold, and 15 I will take. Here white color, this color, center. Year slicer. And left you take left, year slicer. Values. This is values. You can work on it, guys. Don't bother about my navigation. You can practice it. This I will take blue color. But I don't want this header here. In the situation, select your header, turn off. I need border. Highlight this, routine. Slide, size and style. Visual border on. I have taken this. This is year. So 19 if you select, 19 total average maximum. 20 you select, 20 total average min max. Got clarity? Now I will copy paste. Copy pasting visual I'm explaining. So for card visual, format painter, now slicer year, Control C, Control V. Copy paste, Control C, Control V. But I want month here. So guys, in this area, first one visual, second data, remove this data. Click on add data, date level, month you select. All months it is showing me, but I need 2 months. I need just 2 months. Then, how is it possible? Go to filter area. Filter area. Click on this. I need July and August. July, August. 2 months is selected. This is a use of filter. So one filter concept also covered. Sir, I don't want to see like this a list. I need button. Yes, go to slicer head settings. This is a slicer. Mention here tile for button. So you have July and August. Click on this. Click August. August month value. July month value. 20 July value. This is how we will take different filters. Understood? Now customer want to have comparison on this. It's a data area. Reason wise comparison. Which reason, how much money I spent. In the situation, just go to bar chart. This is a bar chart. So remove the highlight from the visuals. Remove the highlight from the visuals. Click bar chart. Y-axis. This is always Y-axis in academics learn. This is X-axis. Anything you can take. But when you take this Y-axis level category, we need to take. X-axis level amount we need to take. So what I will do is Y-axis level. This is Y-axis. I will click on it, reason. X-axis level, I will take. X-axis level, I will take amount. Reason wise amount. See this? See guys. And you can go to focus mode. Hardly 5 minutes. You can go to focus mode. Food amount. Travel amount. Internet amount. And these are my top spendings. These are my bottom spendings. lease spendings, food, travel, internet, more, and the value also this. And you're able to see food and value. That is called tooltip. So each and every area we have a tooltip. Food tooltip, travel tooltip, internet tooltip. So beautiful. I did not do any logic or magic here. Just I am taking x-axis level column, y-axis level one column. And I want to take border and title. Just go to formatting area, routine, size and style, first border, second title, and what is this? Reason wise, sum of amount. And I will go to bold, text color white, center, this color this. Got clarity? But here I need month actually. I forgot to change. So title level, month we need to take. What will take? Month. My next question. Next question is location. Each location, how much percentage money I spent? Percentage. A bar for comparing, but I need percentages. Go to pie chart. Click pie chart. It's a pie chart. Now listen, what do you want to show? Location. Simple. Value. Click on this. Amount. Amount is value. Now explore bigger and see. So location, listen, amount, value. You cannot take location, the value level. Value level, values only we need to take. So amount, sale value, production value, anything value. And if you see this, guys, Vishakhapatnam location 49%, 40% money is spent. Vijayawada location 16%, and blank location 2%, and the Siddipet 2%, and this is Hyderabad 40%. The percentages you are able to see. This is a pie chart. And similar to other visual, first I will go to visual border on, and then I will go to title to explain it better. And title is location wise, amount percent. Bold, white color, background color I will take. My next one, what are the locations I traveled? I want to know. Then map visual. This is a map visual. Map you are able to see. Click map. Ready. And here location available. Click location. Location. Ready. City showing field. But I want to you can explore bigger focus mode. Location showing. But I want to control this based on the value. Bubble size. Click on this amount. Are you clear? So more value, bigger bubble, small value, small bubble, a less value, small bubble. More spending, medium spending, low spending. Got clarity? This is how we will generate visuals.
We change that.
Go to this 1 second. Yeah, you can change it, sir. Title. And here you take location wise. Yeah, locations, that's it. Your report is ready. Now file menu. Save. Guys, 1 second, stay tuned. File menu. Save as or save. And I will save under more options. And name, you want to create a folder, browse this device. Badges. I'll create a folder for our batch from tomorrow examples. 10 a.m. September 2024. And I'll give a title here. VinayTech. First report. And what is the extension? PBX. If you go to Word document .docx extension, Excel document .xlsx extension, it's a Power BI document .pbix extension. So document extension of Power BI is PBX. I'm using the word document, not report. Click save. Success. So this is a document and it is having report information. So a customer can select year, month, respect to year and month information everywhere. And even we can click on this to see respect information data. Even we can click on it to see respect to. This is called cross highlighting, cross filtering. So that is also possible. So this kind of visual selection possible and cross highlighting and filtering also possible. This is the reason why people love Power BI. Customers also show more interest to work with Power BI. If you click on this value in this location, what has happened, you can see. If you select two locations, what has happened, you can see. This is called report area. Now customers need this report. In the situation, we will pass only this to customer, this information. How do you pass? So move this to cloud one way and move this to on-premises second way. 95% people going for cloud and 5% people going for on-premises. But this to users and this to users based on the customer's users. Without moving to cloud, not possible. We will move to cloud and assign people and regularly schedule and regularly delivered subscription happen and managing happen only on this area, not in this area. So this report information will move to cloud. From there only users will access. So this is a concept of Power BI end-to-end flow. Everyone able to understand? And I decided today to explain this part. From transactional data, generating analytical information. Yes, successfully completed. As I told you, this is a duration. So first, two demo classes. Demo 1 yesterday completed and demo 2 today. These are all I explained practically. And you guys can practice with the given documents in the drive. Drive level, I given the documents. By using that, you can practice. Next. So before we purchase a bike or a car, we do a test drive. The same way, do a test drive with this example. And then you continue. And what I'm going to give you, subject is very depth. I'm telling you, subject is very depth. Very in-depth. Good examples, good case studies, and 2 small projects. Next 2 months, we're going to work on. And these details you are already aware of, I'm not covering, but daily live class video you get for 1.5 years access. And WhatsApp communication is possible, and even normal call communication also possible. SQL 4 hours I cover. MSV cubes also cover, 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies, Power Apps and Power Automate. 4 hours I'm covering. Theory, practical, both the materials you receive, including FAQs, mock interviews. And resume preparation session is mandatory. Yes, I will conduct resume preparation session. I will give you resume guidance with set of resumes. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Monthly 2 Saturdays you are having sessions. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours. This is sufficient if you want to have a better learning. Sir, I want to complete in 1 month. Yes, call me on this number. I will guide you how to complete in 1 month. So training objective, real-time working perspective, people suitable, interview suitable, and PL 300 examination support I will give you. From the subject, 70 to 80%. But if you need dumps and all, yes, I will provide you. You can generate your own reports in work situations. And any graduate can learn, and it's a low code component, no restrictions. Only one thing, you have patience. You should have patience to learn all. And Power BI technical side, functional side, techno-functional side, everyone, it is helpful. If you're a senior resource, senior manager in the project, nowadays companies are asking, instead of Excel, that manager should have knowledge in Power BI. Power BI, many opportunities for the senior managers in that combination. And so next one, technical side you want to try, these are available. Techno-functional combination you want to try, this. Data science side you want to move, you can move. Or in your career level, current career level, as an advantage you want to take, yes, you can take. So this is all about Power BI demo, Power BI content. And tomorrow is the first class at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m., 10 to 11 a.m.
Hi.
And this batch having one more advantage, normal training plus live training also possible. And for live training, separate charge, they will tell you accordingly you can take. Or you want to continue normal training, yes, continue with the normal training. So these are the batches I'm having currently. And we have wonderful success rate. So if you also learn properly, definitely you get the job. Not only getting the job, survive happily if you follow my content. Thank you so much for joining today, guys. Give me a minute. Thank you so much for joining today. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me on this number.
See,
Get
like
everything.
what
Sir,
data sources?
1 minute, sir. So whatever the doubts you have, what are the concerns you have, and wherever you need clarity, yes, call me, get the clarity, then only continue. Thank you once again, guys. See you in the regular classes on tomorrow. Now take your mic and ask your questions.
Like what data sources you will be showing the class?
Hello?
Yeah, in during class, like what data
1
sources?
second, sir. I can't hear you.
Am I audible now? Hello.